Okay, so this will be posted on Moodle. A cover letter is sort of a sales pitch. It's a brief, concise letter, and is a sales pitch for your employer. And you list on it the purpose of you applying to the specific job and your skills. You're highlighting yourself. You're selling yourself, so to speak. This will be posted on Moodle, and I'll be quick, but it says there, what is a cover letter? It should act as a sales pitch, right here, giving your prospective employer a good first impression of you and emphasizing how your skills and experience can help the company to which the letter is addressed. So when you're applying somewhere, you're submitting a cover letter, and you're also submitting your resume. Your resume, as you know, highlighting the skills, the work experience, your education. There are 4 types of resumes that you need to send in. Excuse me. So the first type of resume, this is very detailed, so if you have any questions after this, you can always email us. You're supposed to submit a chronological resume, which lists all the things you've done in chronological order as it needs to just, the most recent things are listed first. A functional resume divides your skills into 2 or 3 basic areas of expertise. And this is the best format to use if your previous work experience is in a field different from the job you're working. So, are there any questions on that? So, for example, here it's divided into skills and experience, education, awards, and honors. So it's not necessarily in chronological order, but you're emphasizing what you've done depending on what position you're applying for. So many of you, when you're applying for an internship in the medical field, you might want to highlight Harlem Children's Society, or you would want to first or highlight it in the functional resume. The next type is the combination resume, and it combines both of them. It combines the elements of the chronological resume in addition to the functional resume. And this is the best format to use if your job experience is in more than one field and you have little experience in the field of the job you're seeking. So you're combining the elements, the best elements of both resumes. Again, this is pretty detailed in the PDF. And the 4th resume you're submitting to us is an electronic resume. And this is void of any graphics, any fancy stuff, so to speak. And this is the type of resume you submit via online, via email, or post it in a website for resumes. Again, it's pretty detailed there. And why are we asking for this? The reason we're asking for this, many of you are in the 9th grade, 10th grade, and it is very good to start working on this. You all have relevant skills now. Being part of Harlem Children's Society alone puts you ahead of so many students. I remember when I was being interviewed for college, all of these came in handy. The resume that I started working here in the Harlem Children's Society. And when we ask you to submit all of these things, the reports, everything, and so we can create a database online. So if you ever need it, we can pull it up as well. Again, I pulled up my research report to the colleges I was being interviewed with, and it provided good conversation material. So that's why we ask you for these things. So if you have any questions, again, we're in the back, we're around the staff. You can email us as well. It's pretty detailed. And yeah.